Hello guys, it's Dale here. In today's video I'll talk about Bitcoin and about strong support that currently formed on Bitcoin. But before I do that, I would like to tell you that the Black Friday sale has ended yesterday, and the people who helped me with the website will take that Black Friday sale down sometime today. I guess maybe in a couple of hours. They still haven't done it yet, so that means that if you still want to get the Black Friday sale, and if you manage to get it before they take the sale down, you can still get it. Alright, so you can still get 50% discount on my elite pack, which is volume profile training. This is it. As you can see, it is still 50% discounted. And if you go to order flow, then you can still get it 50% discounted as well, as you can see in here. They'll take it down later today, I guess, in a couple of hours. If you manage to get it before that, you can still get the 50% discount. Alright, so that's about that. And let's now go and have a look at the charts of Bitcoin. So what you see before you is the 30-minute chart of Bitcoin. And what I wanted to show you in here is a volume accumulation setup that formed there. So what I did was I used the flexible volume profile over this rotation area, and as you can see, massive volumes were traded there. Volume profile is very wide there, and this is the place where the heaviest volumes were traded, right, in this area. And as you can see from this rotation, there was sort of a reversal and strong buying activity. This indicates strong and aggressive buyers. Those buyers rejected lower prices and then aggressively pushed the price upwards into that strong uptrend in here. Now, this gives us an information about a strong support, which is in here, around the place where the heavy volumes were accumulated. I printed this line in here, and that support zone begins at 54,600, and I think that when there's a pullback, if there is a pullback, then the buyers from this place who placed all those massive volumes in this rotation area will want to add some more to the longs, and they'll want to defend this zone. It's clearly important for them because they placed so many longs there, right? You can see all those volumes traded there. So they'll want to defend it, and they'll want to push the price upwards from there again. This is why I think that this will work as a strong support, and that those buyers will want to push the price upwards, and that the price will react there. Now, if you look at the chart, then what stands out is this rejection of lower prices, and this is clearly important zone. So what I recommend is placing your stop loss below this point right there. This would be a nice place for a stop loss. Reason being that it's below the swing point, below that rejection of lower prices, so it's important zone, important place. And also it is behind this heavy volume area. As you can learn in my volume profile course, I prefer to place my stop loss orders behind heavy volume areas. And this is exactly the case, right? There's a heavy volume area, and behind that, if the price goes past that heavy volume area, then that would mean that the support failed, this support, and if it goes past that heavy volume zone, then there's no point in holding that trade anymore, and it's best to quit it. So that's why I think that this is a nice place for a stop loss. You want to trade this one with take profit at least risk reward ratio 1, which would mean take profit somewhere in here, which by the way looks like a very nice place for take profit. Reason being is that there was this reaction, which means that this blue line, which I just draw there, worked as a strong support, right? Because the price bounced off that. So now if the price goes past that support, then the support will turn into a resistance. And if that support turns into a resistance, well then it would be risky if you go long from this place to hold it past that resistance, right? So this is an ideal place to take your profit, at least half of your position. You can trail the second half, but I think it would be best to quit the first half in here. Alright, so that's the plan. That's what I currently see on the Bitcoin. That's what I currently plan to do. So let's wait and see how it plays out. If you look at the macro news calendar, then today is a pretty busy day. This is the Forex Factory calendar. And the most important news today is definitely NFP news, and also this news and this news. So you definitely want to be careful during and after release of this news, and better avoid trading during that time. Alright, so yeah, that's about that. That's about today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!